Hello, today we have a short tutorial on how to use Total Commander to backup your files. I'm using an external hard drive that includes these two folders. Right now they're identical, but I'm going to delete some photos from the hard drive so you can see how the backup works. We're going to use a special Total Commander function for this. It's called Synchronize Dirs. You just position yourself on the folders you want to synchronize, to backup, and you start the Synchronize Dirs function. You click compare, and it shows you the differences between the two folders. You can have the option to select a certain extension for the files, in this case JPEG, and you just hit synchronize. The app shows you it's going to synchronize from left to right, and it's copying the files on the hard drive. As you can see, both folders are identical now. So you can have the option to save the synchronization, the two folders. You can save this backup solution. So anytime you want to compare these two folders, you just enter Synchronize Dirs and select the saved function. We're going to just copy some other files in this folder and do a comparison and do a backup on the hard drive. I'm just going to select the save from before, the backup save from before. As you can see, it works even if I have different folders selected. You just select it and it just knows what the folders are. You hit compare, it detected there are 3 files on the left that aren't on the right, and you just hit synchronize and you have a working backup on your hard drive. Now you can use this anytime there are new files you want to back up on your external hard drive. There are also other functions in this little app. You can use to customize your backup.